Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. We are again doing a lovely drawing of Lord Krishna, but this time we will do it with a purple color. We'll quickly start. So see, what are we going to do is from here. See, if this is your book, from here we will just make a big U like that, and then we make the bracket part. We make the bracket part and we put the nostril here. From here what we do is make the tikka. See, I am using a felt pen. I have already made one drawing because last video my pencil was not very clearly visible. That is why I am using a felt pen, and I will be taking away this drawing and bringing the pencil drawing which I have already made, but just the steps. So U करायचं, then we have to make a bracket and make the nostrils. Again 3 points here for the lips. From this you will make a U from the center point and go up. From here you will take a mountain, go up. From here you will go up and make a small triangle. Okay, now we go in for the eye part. For the eye part we put in 2 dots. From here we jump up. From here we have to make one small tingu like that, and then we jump here. So this is the shape of the eye. Now quickly we will be giving a nice liner part to it. Okay, this is the liner part, and we make the big eyeballs. Remember, if you want your drawing to be good, you have to make a big eyeball. If you make a chota eyeball, it will start looking like a billy eye, a cat eye, and that will look very bhayanak. So it is always nice that you do this way. After this will be the upper ka eyelid part, and from here the eyebrows will start. Okay, the eyebrows starts from here. They will come like that. And now we will we'll make a earring. Krishna Bhagwan ji was very fond of more punk, so we'll make a circle ke andar circle. Then we make a small heart shape here, and after that we give this shape, and then we have the more punk going down. So this will be the earring, and everywhere from here we will have the hairs going like that. Okay, so our drawing, this will be the tuddi. Tuddi means the chin, and this is the cut, but we don't really need to border because it will all go in shading. So our drawing is over. So let us start with the eye part first. For starting with the eye part, what we do is put a little bit of orange here, orange mixed with a little pink. Okay, mixed with a little pink, you put your orange here, and you take the shade down here with a little bit of yellow tinge. Okay, and this eye over here will be little yellow. Then we shade it with white because we don't want it to be yellow, and this side pink. We shade it with white. So our white part is done. Okay, now what we do is we take our gandawala brown and we quickly color this part brown with little part here. Then we take a yellow and we khasao the color out to give it a tinge. Okay, now after this is done, what you will do is take your Persian blue color. See, this is your Persian blue color. The little details, the black part and everything, we will do it on a later stage, because if we put black here it will spread. Now this is your Persian blue color. The eyelid the eyelid will be made with Persian blue. Then we will smudge it with a little lighter shade of blue. Okay, uske baad we will take our white and pull this color out. Pull the color out. Now your Persian blue, everything is done. Now we will take our dark violet color to make the borders. bolder. Okay, because we are using a little bit of purple in this drawing. Now this is the eyebrows, correct? The upper part, this will be black, completely black. So this will be purple, dark, daba ke, ghaseet ke. This part you will do it a bit black because we are removing that color out. So if we do black, it's okay. Then we take our Persian blue color. Now from purple we jump directly to Persian blue and remove a little black from here and Persian blue from here. After this we jump here to do it. Then we take a light blue color, color it here, smudge it off, remove the blacks. Yes, remove the blacks outside. Now you take the white and you put the white in the center, like that for the shadow part. Now we'll take a purple color, give a little tinge of purple, see, a little tinge of purple. Then you will take the medium shade of blue and now we will do this part first. So it goes like that with the medium shade. Then we take the brighter, the white shade, and we pull this color out a bit to give a little bit of roshni here. Now we cannot jump directly from purple to white, so what we do is we put the medium blue here and then again we take the purple for this side. Now see, this is the hair as I told you. So let us draw the borders of the hair. Hair we'll do later on. Now the borders will be purple. Okay, borders will be purple. The purple will jump here also. This is the dark violet color which I am using. After that I take my Persian blue, remove the purple color inside. See, last time when we made Lord Krishna, we had used Persian blue, the medium blue and white. This time we are using a little tinge of purple, playing with colors a bit. Okay, now this is the part which needs to be smudged. Yes, this is smudged. This part is done. Now we take a black to give this the border, but it is not black, so let us do it with purple. Let's dust it. Then we take a Persian blue, continue this side. Okay, remember children, this part is going to be white. Let me do white first. We'll smudge it later on also because this is the shiny part of the face. So daba ke, ghaseet ke, you do it. Then we take the lightest purple, which is called as the grey rose color in your dabda. Okay, we put it here. White, grey rose. Okay, then we take the lighter shade of blue, just playing a bit with the colors. Okay, then we take a medium blue to do it. Now this entire thing will be blue. We'll be smudging it later on, of course. Now this part will be dark because it is the shadow part of the lips. So this part is going to be dark. Then somewhere we'll have the medium blue. Okay, now this part has to be smudged, smudged, smudged. This is going to be blue. So understood children, first we completed this part, now we have completed this part. Now what will we do is take a white and with the guli guli technique we'll smudge the colors off. A little bit of purple to be seen. If it is not seen properly, you can put the color back. Okay, because we want the purple to be seen. Now we can smudge it properly with the hand. If you are using soft colors, You can smudge it very nicely. If you're not using soft colors, दम लगा के हाइशा बाबा फिर कुछ नहीं कर सकते. If you're having soft colors, you are blessed. Correct? This is smudged, this is smudged, this is smudged. Now we'll take our white. This is half face Krishna, wherein we are not concentrating on the pagadi. We are not concentrating much on the other parts. Lips we'll do again later on. Now below the nose will again be the shadow part, so this will be the shadow part. Then this will be a little brighter, so we use white here to make it a little bright. Okay, and then we use a little bit of purple color to give a tinge. It will just give a small patlusa tinge. Now the nose part. On the nose part we use a little bit of purple, we use a little bit of blue. Let the starting point of the nose be shiny, so we are using black, and now we are smudging it off with the white color. And then we go up with our medium blue. Medium blue is the ultramarine blue or the turquoise blue, whatever you say. Okay, so this is the part. The tikka we'll make it with acrylic. Now this is the eyebrow which I will be making. I want a little bit of purple shade here, so I take my grey rose color and ghaseet ke daba ke I do it here. Now let's go in for the lips. See, for the lip part, as I told you, we will only make the center lip part. See, this is U and it goes up. Okay, only this part has to be made with a small triangle here, and then we'll use a red color to make the lips, down lips, up lips, and then we'll put a little touchki white up and a touchki white down somewhere to show the shine on the lips. You're not going to fidget with it, let it be as it is. Now we take a black color just to make the border here, just to show the shadow area, and we just smudge it once like that. Okay, this is done. Now let the nostril part be a little bolder, the nostril part, and this is the shadow part where it goes. Okay, now let's do the eye part. This will be completely black. Okay, this is the eyebrows. Now we'll make the Kajrali Aakhe, because now we have no tension of any colors flowing from here to there. We'll make this part a bit bolder, this part. Now the down part and the center part, the little bit of center part. Okay, now this part is done. Now we go with the hair part. So for the hair part, as it is, we are going to take the black color, then we will do the morpunk later on. So what we do is first make the borders. Now these are his strands of hairs. Okay, the hair are going in this direction. We'll put a little bit of gande wala brown in between somewhere. Now the morpunk is going to come here, so coloring this entire thing, the hair goes like that. What we will do is we'll quickly put little brown somewhere so that we can highlight. You know, when a girl goes to a parlor nowadays to highlight the hair like that, even Krishna Bhagwan used to go, you know, he had highlighted hair. I like it. I like it. Now Now the hair are going somewhere outside. Highlighted hair. I like it. See, still किधर किधर बुड्ढा बुड्ढा दिख रहा है. नो प्रॉब्लम, हम लोग सब कलर कर देंगे. इधर थोड़ा ब्राउन डालते हैं. Okay, we'll color it with. Now let's put brown here also, and the strands go down like that. Now we are just covering our whites. My hands are dirty now. See, you can see strands ka color coming on my book. Never mind, you always have to put something down. You know what we are going to do? We are going to put a little bit of moti also on the hair. Moti matlab, you understood, the beads which were worn. This is one, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, shandi coming out from here. Okay, we'll do this later on. Now what we will quickly start doing is the inner part. For the inner part, first we'll take a little bit of light blue. We'll keep a little bit of space. We'll take the Persian blue, cover it with Persian blue. Okay, keeping little white spaces, and then gully 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 okay, after that we take our purple color and we color this part purple. Now not completely, we'll keep little white wherever we want, and then smudge it again. Okay, you can just play with colors. Playing with colors is so nice. Then we take our yellow. After that we take a papaya green color. Papaya green color. Actually this was supposed to be somewhere here, but it's okay. It's okay. We can play with colors the way we want. Now we'll take our purples, which will go like that, the strands. Let the strands go like that. Then we'll take a blue ka strands down, and this will be the Persian green color. No, these strands will not look good because we already have blue color here. So we'll do one thing. We'll take a little bit of brown color. Now we will highlight it with black. Now next step, I'm going to go and quickly get my acrylic white and do a little bit of shiny work. Okay. Now what we do, we take our small brush, we take a tick acrylic color. We make the bindi. The bindi will start from here. It is a U-shaped bindi for Lord Krishna. So I had drawn that with a sketch pen in the previous page. So this is the bindi. Then a little, see where we have done the black liner, over there very little bit of white shine, a small line. It gives a beautiful shine. After that the dot, the shine in the eye. See the shine in the eye, this side and a little this side. Okay, then there will be a small shine here. See, all this we are doing it with acrylic color. Then a little bit of shine here on the nose, just above the nose. We have already left this white, so we need not bother about that. A little shine on the nose. Okay, and now we shall make the moti part. See, we dip. See, remember when you do the moti part, dip the brush, one dot, dip the brush, one dot, dip the brush, one dot, dip the brush, one dot. Okay, you're not supposed to do चिकी वो होता है, लेकिन still you have to keep your moti like moti. Always dip and then keep on doing it. Okay, this gives a very beautiful way. See, this is one part which we have done. Okay, and we will make one more strand which is going down here. So here, I can dip it twice because my color is a little liquidified, so I am dipping it twice. 2 dots. अच्छा, here I think so इधर कुछ कमी रह गया. It should start from there and we take it down like that. Okay, now we are going on that brown wala patta. Piya 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 piya. Done. Okay, now a white. This had become a little wakda, so I'm doing it a little white here. Baki, it's done.